Hey, how y'all doing here? This is Harold. I'm getting ready to do a pod review because for those of you who know me in the past, I've always liked to review the peppers that I'm growing, and the one I'm going to be reviewing today is this little Gourmet Jigsaw, and it's probably going to beat me up because I haven't really done any peppers this year, but little walk, and I'll show you what that's something I seen Steve do the other day when I take a walk over here. I'm getting ready to barbecue too, so it's gonna be a long day for me. But this Gourmet Jigsaw is coming off of this plant here. It's one of my favorites this year. Just simply look at it, how it's going. I got some more ripe ones, and I've got some really big prolific pods like these in here. You know, this big booger over here is just huge. So some of my other plants over here, but yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing a little pod review on, I guess. I like to always honor what I grow by having at least one of each before I start going into the drying phase. And so yeah, we're gonna go ahead. This is a really nice ripe pod, and this will help me to get ready because I think I may try one of Matthew Arthur's Wardy X's here soon. Thank you, Matt, for getting me those, by the way. But so I want to take a look at it because this is the first one I'm pulling off ripe. Take a look at it. I don't know if you can see that or not, the oil shimmering off of that. So yeah, I already know what's going to happen. It's got a good oil in it. It's a thick wall. Not a ton of seeds. A couple seeds. Look at that right there. It's gonna have a nasty placenta to it, so it's probably gonna whip me. But you know, it is what it is. Got a couple seeds off of it. I'll get more off the other ones. I'm sure I'll find some that are just loaded with seeds. So yeah, it got some oil in it. So here it goes, man. It's probably gonna hurt like hell, but we're gonna do it anyway. So before it overcomes me, starting off sweet, really sweet. I like it. Of course, the capsaicin hits you. I'm not going for anything record, so I won't wash it down. But initially a good sweet one. It's creeping up on me. So I'll be cleaning out the barbecues here, getting ready to do some smoking. Yeah, it's hitting me. It's starting to sear and sting now. My nose is running. I will say the flavor's really good, but golly, the heat's hitting me now. That's a hard burning heat. Hold on 1 minute. Ooh, that burn hits you. Brought a few tears to my eyes, so yeah, it's warm. I think I had a little pepper on that rag. It got in my eye, so anyway, well, I'm gonna let this go because I got a little pepper in my eye. That's a good pepper though. Anyway, yeah, it's coming down though, but it's a good hot burn. Ooh. it's still there, but trying to work through this little bit of pepper juice in the eye and maintain my composure. But
would you like a tissue?
no, I'm good. Got a little in my eye, but yeah, seems like it's peaked though.
Stay away from my cigarettes, damn it. Don't take my cigarettes.
But starting to come down a little bit. A good burn though, I'll tell you what. Got that little bit in my eye there, and whew. I think it's peaking. It's hot. It kind of creeps up almost like a ghost pepper. No gut bomb yet, so I'd say the burn's on the tip of my tongue a lot. Along the sides a little bit, but the flavor is really good. The flavor is awesome. I could see cooking with that. Even better than a yellow fatale. It's just a real good flavor. Get a rag, I know it's dry. Because that really burned my eye. I can get over the burn of on my throat and everything else, but boy, when it gets in your eye, there's nothing like that. So anyway, well, I got a lot of meat to smoke here. I'm getting ready to do some ribs, chicken, country style ribs. Yeah, that's a passion. So got to get the grills going, and you guys have a good day. Enjoy this Labor Day weekend, and we'll talk at you later. Take care.